In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an image fade using Canva. In just a few simple steps, you'll be able to create beautiful, soft transitions in your designs that can really bring a professional touch to your projects. Whether you're looking to create a subtle background or layer effects over an image, this tutorial will guide you through the process smoothly. To get started, open up Canva and head over to the left sidebar. Here you'll find a variety of tools at your disposal, but today we'll be focusing on the Elements section. Click on Elements to open up a treasure trove of graphic design resources you can use. Within this section there's a search bar where you can type in various keywords. To achieve our fade effect, type in gradient. A gradient will help create the smooth fade effect by transitioning colors gradually across an element. After typing gradient, you'll see a list of options appear. Rather than scrolling endlessly, click on See All to view the complete selection available to you. This will open up an array of different gradient styles you can choose from. Take your time to scroll through these options to find one that fits best with the image you're working on. Once you've found the perfect gradient, select it. Now with your chosen gradient, it's time to add it to your design. You'll just need to drag and drop this element onto your canvas. This is a simple process. Just click and hold the gradient, drag it to where you want it on your screen and release it to drop it in place. You'll notice that the gradient might not cover the entire image initially. Don't worry, you can easily resize it to fit the photo properly. Click on the corners of the gradient and drag them until they stretch over your image as needed. Ensure it aligns perfectly to maintain a smooth fade effect across your whole design. Once your gradient is in place and perfectly sized, here comes the fun part, creating the fade effect. You'll want to duplicate this gradient several times to deepen the fade. To do this, simply keep clicking the duplicate button. This will add layers of the gradient over each other, intensifying the fade appearance. Continue duplicating until you see the desired level of fade in your image. You'll notice how the gradual transition creates a beautiful effect, making your image look as if it's fading seamlessly into the background. And that's it. With just a few clicks and some creative layering, you've now mastered the art of creating image fades in Canva. This simple yet effective technique can be applied across a variety of projects, adding refinement and elegance to your designs. Keep experimenting with different gradients and images to see the diverse effects you can achieve.